Hi, fourth graders, this is Miss K, and for your skills assignment today, the first part is your spelling test. So make sure that you are on this Google form. I'm going to read every word, and I'll give you a sentence, and then you're going to type the word right here in this blank. So for example, if I said the word good, you would type the word good. Try to spell it as best as you can. Remember to stretch the words out. Remember to look for those prefixes and suffixes that we've been studying this unit, and just try your best, okay? So we're going to get started with word number 1. Remember, it says right here, pause the video if you need more time. If I'm going too fast and you're still writing, just press pause on me and then press play when you're ready to move on. All right, so for number 1, the first word is establish. The teacher had to establish a rule because too many people were climbing on the slide. Establish. Word number 2 is thrive. The garden will thrive with the right amount of sun and water. Number 2 is thrive. Number 3 is unravel. The fun and games at the party began to unravel when kids were not playing nicely. Unravel. Number 4, surrender. The other team had more snowballs, so we had to surrender. Number 4 is surrender. Number 5, transform. Cutting holes and a door will transform the big box into a fort. Number 5 is transform. Number 6 is fatal. Many died when a fatal disease moved through Europe. Number 6 is fatal. Number 7, acquire. I will go to the store and acquire the supplies we need for the project. Number 7 is acquire. Number 8, seize. If the girl plays with her favorite doll, her sister will seize it when she notices. Seize. Number 9, promote. Handing out coupons will promote business for the new pizza place. Number 9 is promote. And our last word, number 10, retreat. The lion's ferocious roar made everyone at the zoo retreat from its cage. Number 10 is retreat. All right, I'm going to go through them all one more time. Number 1 is establish. Number 2, thrive. Number 3, unravel. Number 4, surrender. Number 5, transform. Number 6, fatal. Number 7, acquire. Number 8, seize. Number 9, promote. And number 10, retreat. Please make sure to go rewind the video if you missed some, and get on Zoom as always if you need help completing your assignments. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Bye.